Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build a snowman in Heartopia game, the winter frost season. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the winter utopia and you need to find Eric and then talk to him to take the quest. I've already taken the quest, so the quest appear right here. I need to build a big snowman. And if we want to build a snowman, we need to go to this area. Okay, just follow where I go, and then here you will find a snowman, and you can click on this icon to shuffle the snow for the big snowman. Okay, done guys, and we're going to go back to Eric. Okay, I'm just going to jump here and talk to him. Okay, and select let's build a snowman. Okay, and I got gold as my reward. Okay guys, and that's how we can build a snowman in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.